Hello and welcome to Due Sorelle. Today we're going to be making an olive oil cocktail. First, you're going to need 4 ounces of vodka and 1 ounce of extra virgin olive oil. You're going to let this sit for a few hours and then go ahead and put it in the freezer. Once it's frozen, you can pick the olive oil right off because it will congeal. Peel some lemon for your garnish. Once you put ice in your shaker, go ahead and start measuring out 4 ounces of olive oil infused vodka. I like to make sure this is chilled, so if you do pull it out from the freezer, go ahead and strain it right away. And then you're going to want to put in 1.5 ounces of dry vermouth. Make sure you use dry. 1 dash of bitters. Go ahead and give that a stir. In a chilled martini glass, kiss the rim with your lemon rind to add in natural lemon oils and go ahead and start straining your chilled martini. After straining, I do add some lemon pearls for a little extra garnish. You can find this recipe at www.duesorelle.com.